In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an HR management system in Airtable tutorial. By the end, you'll have a clean, connected workspace to track employees, departments, and leave requests, all in one place. Start by opening Airtable and creating a new base. Choose the option to start from scratch, then name the base HR Management. Giving the base a clear name makes it easy to find and share later. Next, set up the core tables. Begin with the Employees table. If Airtable gives you a default table, rename it to Employees. Add the fields: name, email, role, status, and start date. As you add each field, choose a helpful field type. Name can be a single line text field. Email should use the email field type, so Airtable recognizes it properly. Role can be text or a single select if you want a tidy dropdown. For status, a single select works well. Use options like active or inactive to clarify who's currently employed. Set start date to a date field and pick a consistent format so it's easy to read in reports. Create your second table, departments. Name the primary field department name. Keep it simple. You'll reference this field when assigning employees to departments. Now build the leave request table. Add the fields leave type, start date, end date, and status, plus a field for the employee who is requesting leave. Set leave type to a single select with options you commonly use. Start date and end date should both be date fields. For status, a single select with values like pending, approved, or denied keeps requests clear and trackable. With the core structure in place, it's time to connect the tables. In the Employees table, add a new field and choose Link to another record. Link it to Departments. This lets you assign each employee to a department and keeps everything consistent across the base. In most cases, each employee belongs to one department, so keep linking to a single record. In the Leave Request table, add a link to another record field that connects to employees. This ensures every leave request is tied to a specific employee, which makes tracking and reviewing requests straightforward. From here, you can start entering real data, list your departments, add your employees, and then create leave requests that reference those employees. Keep field names consistent, choose clear formats, and you'll have an HR system that's both simple and reliable. That's it. Your Airtable HR management system is ready to use.